In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Forms to Discord. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable link to your form that you can drop right into any Discord conversation or channel so people can start responding instantly. Start by opening your Google form in the editor. At the top of the page, you'll see the sharing options. Look for the chain link icon, which represents the link sharing option. Click that. This is the fastest way to grab a public link to your form without digging through settings, and it ensures you're sharing the form itself rather than the editing view. Once the link panel is open, you'll see a long web address. Long links can look messy in chat and may wrap onto multiple lines, which isn't ideal in Discord. To keep things tidy, turn on the shorten URL option. This condenses the address into a simpler, compact link that's easier to read and less distracting in busy channels. It doesn't change how the form works, it just makes the link more user-friendly. With the shortened link visible, click Copy. That puts the link on your clipboard, ready to paste anywhere. If you plan to reuse it often, consider keeping it in a Notes app or a pinned message so you don't have to come back and copy it again later. Also, make sure you copied the View link for respondents, not the form editor link. Using the link button ensures you get the correct one. Now head over to Discord. Open the server, channel, or direct message where you want to share the form. Click into the message box and paste the link. Before you send it, it's helpful to add a short description so people know what the form is for and any deadlines or instructions they should follow. Clear context reduces back and forth questions and improves response quality. When you're happy with the message, send it. Discord will display the link, and recipients can click through to fill out the form immediately. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If you're posting in a server, make sure you have permission to post links in that channel, and that the form's sharing settings allow anyone with the link to respond. If responses don't come in as expected, double-check that you shared the respondent link and not an internal or restricted one. Finally, consider pinning your message in the channel so people can easily find the form later. That's it. You've linked a Google form to Discord in a neat, professional way, ready for your team or community to use.